What's up guys? So previously I discussed about the metabolism and the basic functioning, how our body works and acts accordingly. So if you haven't watched that yet, go check out the part 1 so that it will be easier for you to follow up with our next discussions. So friends, the next information that I am going to get is about homeostasis. Friends, what is homeostasis? Friends, homeostasis is the process. It gets triggered when your body runs out of energy quickly. I'm giving you an example to explain it better because I don't want to get it technical so that you will feel boring and all, man. You will feel like we are attending a class or what. So I will explain you with example and all, so it will be easier for you to follow and understand, because we are not teaching nutrition and all, friends. I'm just giving you these information so that you can grasp it better and can use for your health and all, and how our body processes. That's it. So okay, let's not take any much time and let's go straight to the point. So friends, what happens? Suppose you started to lose weight. You have planned, okay, I will take in this program and I will start a weight loss program, and you are like 100 kilos, you have a lot of fat and everything. And now what happens, friends? You started eating less, you will eat healthy, you will exercise. All these stuffs are a part of your fat loss journey, walk, whatever. So what happens, friends, as you keep on losing weight, we should keep that in mind. Weight loss will not happen steadily all the time, friends. You will get stuck in between someday. Why I am saying, friends, this is the process of homeostasis. What happens, friends, when we are starting to lose weight? Suppose from 100 you are going down, you came to 90, smoothly you are losing weight, wow, I am losing weight, everything. Suddenly when you come down to like 86 or 85, you will get stuck. Why, friends? Because when you are eating less every day, and if your weight is dropping like huge, like too fast, as what I've already explained you before, that how we should lose weight slow and steady. This is the reason, friends, because if you go too fast on losing weight and all, your body will think that, okay, this person, I have to survive. This is not getting energy at all, because your metabolism is high according to your activity level and all. Now what happening? You are not eating enough. So every time you are losing weight, you are dropping weight quickly. So what will your body do? Your body will suddenly stop it and slow down your metabolism to match your weight, because your body is thinking he's eating less, he's working very hard, but he's eating a lot less, so I have to lower the metabolism for surviving. So what it does, it lowers the metabolism and matches with your calories. That's why your weight gets stuck. So this is the process of homeostasis, friend. That's why we should not lose weight quickly or try to gain weight quickly, because if you also want to try to gain weight quickly and you will start eating more, your body is already in a certain metabolism pace. Suddenly if you eat more, so your body will take time to adjust with the metabolism, because you are getting a lot of energy. So your body thinking, whoa, it's getting a lot of energy, man, I have to start increasing the metabolism a little. So that process takes time, friends. That's why we should not hurry. Then what will happen? You will deposit excess fat because you are eating a lot suddenly. That's why we should increase our calorie little by little. So all these things I've already explained, friends, just to take this point so that you will understand the process of homeostasis here. So this is the process basic of homeostasis, friends. That's why homeostasis is there for survival, because if you are running out of energy, it will trigger your brain and you will start doing that process to equate with your current calories and all, so it will slow down your metabolism. And then if you eat suddenly too much, like quickly you want to gain weight, no, I want to gain like 5 kilos in 1 week or like that. So your metabolism is at current state, now you have to increase. So while increasing, it will start depositing those extra energy it's getting, and then later on it will use. So this is what I'm saying, and that's why, friends, gaining weight is easier than losing your weight. So this is the process of homeostasis. I will get to detail, friends, about the calories and all, like what to do if we are stuck So I will make another video, friends, where I will discuss about what to do when we are stuck at a certain point. Because from 100 friends, we want to get to 70. But we will get stuck in between. Some may get stuck at 90 kgs and then, oh my god, I am not losing any more weight. Some may get stuck at 85. Oh shit, I am doing everything, man. What's going wrong? I am doing all the things that I did. But friends, your body gets adapt to it. That's why you have to change some things. You have to manipulate your body again to lose calories and all. So I will talk about all those things in detail on other video, friends. Today's basis was about explaining you the homeostasis process, why we get stuck. This is the reason, friends, because fat loss is never like step ladder, like steady and steady. You will get stuck in between, then again you have to do something that will again start losing. So it's, if you are like want to lose a lot of weight, friends, you have to stay patient, you have to be consistent. But friends, we can, don't worry about that, we can. So friends, this is the basic of homeostasis. Now we are going to discuss about the last thing, how microbiome, friends, plays a key role in improving our immunity and metabolism.